As of January 2024, there are 2,479 AI tools out there. But the question is, which one to use and how? Another problem is many of these AI tools are very expensive. In last couple of months, I have tried more than 150 AI tools. And from that list, I found 11 most useful, user-friendly, and most affordable AI tools. When I say affordable, I meant they are either free or their free plans are enough for small and mid-level content creator. My list could have been bigger, but I wanted to focus on tools only for content creator and nothing else. My first and most known AI tool is ChatGPT. I know everyone is like, this is old, but a lot of you don't know how to use it. I use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, write my video script, and also to get some amazing trending titles. In order to get the better result with ChatGPT, create a new chat for each topic and tell ChatGPT to act as an expert in that field. For example, I created this chat and I'm telling ChatGPT, I want you to act as an expert in writing trending titles for YouTube videos. You also have a knowledge of trending hashtags and tags for those videos. After that, every time I need a great title ideas and tags and hashtag for my videos, I just write what my video is about and ChatGPT gives me the trending title ideas, the tags and hashtag for my videos. Try this next time. Number 2 is ElevenLab. You might have heard this voice before.
Life's beauty lies in its unpredictability. Embrace the journey. Find joy in the smallest moments.
This is Adam, an AI from ElevenLab. Right now on social media, Adam is very popular. After writing your script, you need someone to read it for you, like a voiceover artist. Among many AI tools on text to script, I found ElevenLab is one of the best so far. ElevenLab supports multiple languages and accents, and it has a natural and realistic voice quality. When you create an account, it gives you about 10,000 characters free per month, which is about one long 10 minutes video or about 10 shorts videos of 1 minute. To get more characters, you can either pay monthly fee or you can create another account to get 10,000 characters more. Recently, they have also added this dubbing option, which I believe is insane. This feature lets you change the language of your video. And I think nowadays, dubbing is like a new trend on social media. To dub your audio, you can either bring the file directly into ElevenLab or you can also copy and paste the URL from internet. Yes, you heard it right. You can directly copy paste your YouTube link. Here it shows how many characters it will cost you to dub this video and how much time it will take. Once it's ready, you can view it or you can directly download it. Now, once your audio is ready, you need some B-rolls. And my next couple of AI tools are based on those B-rolls. The next AI tools I have is Adobe Firefly. When we are talking about visual creation, we cannot leave Adobe out. And Adobe has created its own AI platform. It's called Adobe Firefly. You can use Adobe Firefly to generate realistic or abstract images based on your keywords, phrase, or sentences. You can also use Adobe Firefly to create customized images using generative fill, which lets you replace or remove any part of an image in just seconds. So let's say I have this image here and I'm gonna add an Eiffel Tower. The first one is good. I'm not sure if this one is actually an Eiffel Tower. So here is the thing. This is an AI, so you kind of sometimes have to forgive. When you create your account, it gives you about 25 credits a month. But if you have an Adobe plan, it gives you about 500 credits a month. The next AI tool I have is Leonardo.Ai. It is like Adobe Firefly, but it gives you about 150 credits every day. Leonardo actually is one of my favorite text-to-image tools. The results are insanely good. Let's create a funny one. Please do not dox me for this one. I'm just a small YouTuber. Please do not destroy me. Leonardo has also added this new feature called motion. This feature allows you to add motion to your photos or arts. Here is an image I created using some simple prop. Now let's go ahead and add motion to it. It will cost me about 25 credits, but let's see how it looks. Dang! It is more than what I expected. Look at that 3D camera movement into the scene. It is so smooth. One of my favorite things about Firefly and Leonardo is that they have a huge gallery of samples, which you can use as a starting point for your creation. The next AI tool I have for you is Descript. It is a whole powerhouse. It is a full-fledged video editing software. Second, it has a lot of free voiceover AIs. So in case if you run out of the characters in 11 Lab, you got Descript. It also has a feature to clone your own voice. All you have to do is give a sample of your audio and it will create a clone for you. In Descript, you can also add different style of captions to your video. And one of my favorite features in this tool is that they have a gallery of free stock videos, photos, and music. Just type what you're looking for and it will give you. But the free version has two limitations. One, when you search something from the stock, you can use only first three. And the solution for that is search again and use three. Search again and use three. The second limitation in free version, the exporting quality is limited to only 720p, which is good for social media, but may not be good for the client work. However, you can use CapCut, a free video editing software that can upscale your 720p videos to 2x. You might have seen a lot of creators use this phrase or pieces of dialogues from the movie and the shows into their video.
No, I haven't heard.
Well, now you can find them easily using this next AI tool. But before that, I'm not sure if this is an AI tool or it's just a website. Either way, I thought it is very useful for content creators, so I'm just putting in my list.
Make up your mind. Make up your mind.
Just go to Google and type playphrase.me. Here you can type few words and it will give you the best dialogue for that. For example, I want "you think it's funny," and here are some of the examples from the shows and the movies having the same wordings, I would say. You can also look for the most trending ones from here, and if you want to download any of these videos, just click on the download and this is all yours. You can use it for free forever. Maybe you're not happy with all these B-rolls and you want something more creative. This next AI tool will help you create your own videos like this. Go to Play Store or Apple Store and download Luma.Ai or go to their website, create your account, and now you can create your first 3D style video. All you have to do is film using your phone or camera or a drone, whichever you like, upload and click on reshoot to create keyframes. Once you're happy with your keyframing, render it and your video is ready. By the way, this app is also very useful if you want to create 3D object just using your phone. Once you have all your B-rolls ready, I guess now you need is music for your videos. And the next AI tool will help you get the best customized music. Just go on Google and type Musicgen by Meta. Or you can go into the descriptions. All the links for these AI tools are in the descriptions. And if you are enjoying this video so far, please give a thumbs up. Write something in the comments. Let me know like what AI tools you are enjoying so far, and what AI tools have you never heard about before. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you get all the notification and you don't miss any new videos I make. And now let's get back to the AI tools we were talking about. Musicgen by Meta. This is a text to music AI. Just write your prompt and it will create a 15 seconds music for you. And if you have some music as a sample, you can also drag and drop that music here. It will create a similar music from your sample. By the way, what I'm showing you right now is a demo version on Hugging Face. If you want the full version, click on the link here and you should be good. And one more thing, the full version is also 100% free. It just requires more computing power. As we are in the music and sound category, why not we talk about one more AI tool for the same. This one is Music Effects by Google. This is also text to music AI. All you have to do is write your prompt and it will generate music for you. You can click on play and if you like it, click on download and you have it. One better option Music Effects has over Meta is the options to choose the length of your file. You can select up to 70 seconds. That's like 1 minute 10 seconds. Number 10 is the Designer by Microsoft. Again, it is a free and very easy to use AI. This tool is great to create social media posts, reels, and stories. But it also has a great potential to create YouTube thumbnail. Just go to the home page and click on My Project. Click on Create a New Project. Describe what you want and it will create it for you. If you're happy, keep it, and if you're not, which you should be because it did a crappy job here, and select on the option, go to customization, and here you can unleash your creativity because it has tons of options here. My next tool is another powerhouse for creators. It can do a lot. Probably I will need another separate video for it. It is the last but not the least. It is Canva. The question about Canva is, what can you not do in Canva? You can do almost everything. Logo design, you want to create a sketch effect like this? You got it. How about AI voiceover with different languages? You got it. Text to image? Yes. Image upscaling? Yes. How about talking human avatar? Yes. How about text to music? You got it too. Graphic design and YouTube thumbnail? Yes and yes. The big question is, can it edit videos? Yes, the list can go on and on. It is basically everything a content creator needs. So why not using only Canva? Just because your phone has a 48 megapixels camera, that doesn't mean you stop using actual cameras. Now, these were some of the cool AI tools for the content creator. And these tools are there to help you become a better video editor. However, you must know at least the basic video editing. And if you want to learn how to edit videos in Premiere Pro, watch this video. And if you want to learn how to edit videos in CapCut, watch this video. I will see you there.